ain't learned how to cut it on.
It's really loud, guys.
How do I do this?
Please, it's so loud.
That's not it.
Oh, God.
Kill switch. So I'm still learning, but I picked up the bike today. We got the car going on right now. The plan is to get this started today. So
today.
Got my girl here helping me out. We're gonna get this on started. We're riding it tonight. This old battery ain't no joke, bro.
Damn,
Almost time to start it.
Look at the nigga face.
Making a lot of progress. Here. I didn't tighten these down all the way. I'm just doing a test start. I could not put that bracket back in there, so the battery's gonna move. I just want to start it to see if it'll work. Let's go ahead and cut the music down. Okay, time to start. Everything should be connected. Let me check one last time. Everything's connected. It's time to start it.
Are you sure?
It's time to start it, yes. Lights are on.
Well,
here we go.
He's in there.
It's been like 3 weeks. Today makes officially 3 weeks.
Boy.
3 weeks. Finally got the car back. 3 weeks. It's a cold engine and I'm revving it. I know that's a bad thing, but listen. Ooh.
Wow.
It's been 3 weeks.
Calm down, mister.
Do you smell it? Let me make sure everything is watch out. I can smell it.
Me too.
I'm smoking.
Got smoke, folks. It's smoking.
I think that might just be oil burning off. I'm gonna let it smoke for a little bit. It shouldn't get any worse than that. It should just be oil burning off because I need a valve cover gasket.
Let's go find out.
What is that?
He went under.
Oh my God, what the hell? Oh, the charge pipe blew off. I knew it, I didn't have it on there all the way. Fuck. Look, come here. Oh, they got oil everywhere. That's what's burning.
Damn, Clay.
Good thing we ain't driving.
Oh my God.
Look, come here. She got oil oh, I got it everywhere.
Look,
so basically, this pipe blew off right here. Oh, I got oil.
All over the pretty pipe. Shameful.
Damn it.
Look at that. Now you gotta clean up that mess.
How
do you feel?
The car starts, so I'm happy.
Ooh.
The car starts. It's just I needed to. I thought it was on there tight.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to figure it out. But the car starts. Got a few minor tweaks to do, but this was the goal for the night, was just to start the car, and the car got started. So the goal has been accomplished, but we are not finished yet. So let me go back and get this charge pipe situated. Let me clean up this oil a little bit, and I'm gonna get that on there tight. But I'm glad it happened now and not on the test drive, because we would have been stuck on the side of the road with a 30 FF code. All right, so let me get this oil cleaned up. So So I got the car finally started. You recorded a little bit, right? Oh, got the car started and charge pipe blew off because I ain't have it on there tight enough. Got oil all over the place, and then also I think my oil filter housing is leaking. So I think it's leaking. Oh, I don't know if that's oil from. It's oil everywhere. And I gotta clean off the belt. It's gonna run out quick. Brake cleaner does not last. Basically, I'm just trying to squeeze out some of this oil from the bottom as much as I can. And then I'm gonna wipe it dry as much as I can. I got everything back together. Oh, y'all seeing the pretty part. I was supposed to keep this a secret, but this time I went ahead and tightened it down with an impact. That motherfucker ain't going nowhere. Let me show you. I ain't take it as. All right, let's go for round 2. All right, this time I'm gonna let the motor run. Let me go and inspect it. Neutral. Let me go and inspect. Shit! Did not mean to do that. I'm trying to climb out of the seat. Fuck! I still see oil. Where is it coming from? Ah, it's coming from the oil filter housing. Damn it. Yep. Alright, let me turn it off. I'm tired. So I cannot get the bolt to thread all the way through the oil filter. I broke it. I believe I cross-threaded in there. Completely ruined the thread, so the bolt will not go. There is the damage. Basically, I put a bolt in there that was too big, and I just started turning it. I mean, I felt it resisting, but honestly, I didn't really care. Wanted to see. Oh yeah, no wonder why no screws would go. No wonder why no bolts would go through. That thing is destroyed. Alright, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean up this mess. So it proved to me what would happen, so I don't really care. Yeah, I'll clean that oil up later, whatever. But tonight was sort of successful because I started the car like I said, but whatever, we'll come back another day. I'll figure out if I can just rethread it or I'll just buy new housing, which probably will be the best option. We will see. Signing out.